This is the Alfa Romeo 4C, and if there's one word to describe the reaction by Alfa Romeo fans, better known as Alfisti, it's finally. The concept was shown 2 years ago, and now they've finally showed a model that's ready for production. It'll go on sale at the end of September in Europe and at the end of the year in the United States. This car has a new aluminum engine. It has a 1,750cc direct inject turbocharged engine, 4 cylinders, and it can go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.5 seconds. Its maximum speed is 250 kilometers an hour. What's important about this car is that it's going to spearhead Alfa Romeo's expansion overseas. It's seen as one of the brands within the Fiat group that has global potential, and it's going to spearhead Alfa Romeo's return to the United States. Alfa Romeo has been away from the US market for almost 2 decades, and its arrival or its return has been much anticipated for more than a few years.